In this video we are introducing a new technology to revolutionize how we align human capacity to business objectives with greater accuracy and velocity, harnessing human-centered AI. TeamStation is a proprietary SaaS platform used by over 30 U.S. technology companies to build, manage, scale and pay software teams across Latin America. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, TeamStation optimizes team building and resource utilization for 30+ U.S. companies, delivering unparalleled results in tech talent alignment. Bridging the gap, the talent alignment revolution. Since Leonardo da Vinci's first resume in 1482 and the dawn of job descriptions in 1911, our methods for connecting human talent with businesses have remained unchanged. Despite countless tools and services designed to optimize hiring processes, companies still struggle to answer, did we hire the right person? TeamStation addresses this pressing issue by leveraging AI technology, deconstructing traditional job descriptions and resumes, and focusing on human capacity patterns derived from over 10,000+ technical interviews. Innovative AI-powered talent alignment solution. TeamStation's AI system deeply analyzes job descriptions, company goals, objectives, technologies, and culture, allowing it to detect correlations and eliminate anomalies in the hiring process. Evaluating online profiles, articles, and social media metadata from sources like GitHub, GitLab, and LinkedIn, TeamStation proactively aligns potential human capital with business demands. Proven success in the LATAM Nearshore IT staff augmentation industry. Successfully implemented in Latin America's Nearshore IT staff augmentation industry, TeamStation has built a team of over 100 top technical staff members without outside investment. Our clients have an advantage by accessing an industry-first platform providing financial transparency and a 97% accuracy rate in resource alignment. The future of talent alignment, performance prediction. TeamStation's next phase involves predicting talent performance, requiring additional research, development, and heuristics training by top domain experts. This final step will eliminate post-hiring evaluation ambiguities, allowing companies to say, "We hired the right person confidently." Build your new mission with TeamStation.